Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everyone is good. Today I'm here with another exciting case studies regarding Google Ads suspension, and the case study is regarding Google Ads account suspended for circumventing systems. I know that circumventing system is one of the hardest, toughest suspension error you can feel on your Google Ads account. And the funny thing is, once your account gets restored, you can see the sign that your account was being temporarily hold for billing or unauthorized use, and now it is resumed to look after. But we all know that circumventing system is actually not a billing error. It's an error, when Google feels some violation on your website, and because unauthorized or use is not the reason, but rather some violation on the website, and the violation can be anything. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are doing something on your website which is causing the issue for your Google Ads account suspension. Probably sometimes we don't know, we are claiming something on the website which exactly, it's not like that, and you eventually have to see circumventing system error on your website, and you are like, everything is fine, but why I'm getting the circumventing system? It is because you are actually abusing the system. Or in case if you are doing clocking is where something you are showing different thing to Google crawler, a different thing to the real visitor. Again, then you can feel the circumventing system error. There are many reasons which is why you can feel the circumventing system error on your Google Ads account. But primary thing is that you are doing something wrong on your ad or on your website copy, which is causing this error. So this is a case study regarding the client. Okay, what happened exactly was that the client account, he didn't know that he already had an other account with the same billing details that was suspended for circumventing system. Whenever there is a situation like this, when your old account is suspended for circumventing system and you try to open a new account, here Google is very strict, and Google is going to put another ban here. Okay, we do provide Google Ads account as well to help masses, but here the situation is very difficult to handle because you already have an account which is suspended for circumventing system, and you try to open a new account when Google has repeatedly said in their email that do not try creating a new account. Okay, yeah, we do provide accounts and we do sell accounts as a Google partner company, but we also have to overview and see the website for any errors or issues in your ad copy, or we also have to look after new competitors on if that's who is doing something which we are not, and that is causing the suspension. So once we are done with all of these things, then we may have to look on getting the account reinstalled. Okay, if you ask me the time frame, it took us around a month probably to get it back. And the client, or the story here is different because the client already had a suspended account, and client used the same billing details with another account with the same IP, and that is why now the old account is already suspended and the new account was suspended as well. So now I'm going to share with you a case study, and I will also show you on what we did and how many repeats we did. Okay, so here you can see this is an account, and this account is suspended. Your account violated the circumventing system policy, and I will also show you now on the account reactivation and then other details. Okay, here you go. You can see that 23 hours ago I got an email that your Google Ads account has been reactivated. Your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information and policy compliance. It's now reactivated, so you ads can start running again. Ads could start running automatically if your billing information is up to date. If you don't want your account to serve ads and incur cost, either pause your campaign or cancel your account. So you can see the account customer ID, and here you can also match it with this one as well, and you can see over here that it's the same account. So yeah, you can see that it's the same account. So basically what I'm going to I'm even going to show you in our login ID as well. So basically the question is on how many tries we did at least 10 to 15 times, let me be very honest with you. And because we had discussion regarding with the client manager regarding what issues we are having, what issues where we need to work on, and so things. So it takes a lot of time in getting these things up. And to make sure for policy compliance, you need to understand that that it takes patience. You need to be very patient while getting your accounts restored, and when you are working with us, because we don't know, once as I told my other videos as well, that once a client was running an ad like lose 5 kgs in 30 days, and his account was getting got suspended. Why? Because you do not have any proof to how your product is going to reduce 5 kg in 30 days. Do you have any scientific evidence, or you're just making your own excuse? So Google is very concerned on whatever you say and whatever your ads, and you were unknowing it. He wasn't sure that why your account is suspended. He was like, everything is right, I'm not doing faking anything, I'm promoting the product. But where you are doing a wrong claim with your product, that is also comes into circumventing. I'm going to show you once in 1 second. Just give me a moment. And here we are in the account, and you can see in the notification that your account is unsuspended. And although it is now saying that your account was suspended for billing information, but it was actually for circumventing system, as I have told here as well many times, that it is suspended for circumventing system policy. So circumventing system policy is a very difficult error to get on. So yeah, we did it. And I told you that if you hire us to get your account restored, we have to overview on doing around 30 steps audit for your website and your ads for compliance, to make sure that everything is running fine. And in case if we see that everything is fine, or in case if there is any correction required, we tell our client to explain to them that you are lacking here, and you need to rectify those issues on your website before we can file an appeal again. And then we if you link your account with us, because we are a Google partner company, we have a dedicated support, and that is much better than an ordinary customer. So which is why we recommend you to work with us in getting your account restored. So this was a video regarding restoration of a Google Ads account. We also work in restoring Google accounts for suspicious payments, unacceptable business practices, and other Google Ads policies as well. We work with the Google Budget Center account restorations, and Facebook ad restorations, and Bing ads restoration. I hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, because in this channel we often post case studies regarding this. And make sure to hire us in case if you have any issues regarding your Google ads or Facebook ads or Bing ads or Google Budget Center account suspension. So I hope you like this video, and I like to end this video here. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you, and bye bye.